When it comes to remodeling, a blank canvas is beauty and opportunity. Every project starts with a plan, every measurement, cut, and color. Remodelers know it's about all the details. And at NARI, we are advancing our profession to better serve you and your clients. Building local networks, implementing our national code of ethics, and ensuring that members are positioned for success. Through our individual certifications, company accreditation, and the prestigious Contractor of the Year Award program, we are creating opportunity for our members to prove to consumers that they are top performers. Through exclusive rebate programs with national retailers, we're creating savings for you too, because the details create our clients' dreams. Join NARI of the Silicon Valley. And for more details, visit narisv.org today.